Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Art Natural Spoon. Hope you are enjoying my dishes. Today I am here with a normal dish. This is easy to make. This is a curry actually. Malabar curry you can say, or Kerala dish. This is I am going to make with paneer. Hope you will enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Let us see what are the ingredients required for this special dish. I have taken here 250 grams of paneer, cottage cheese, then a cup of cabbage cut into small pieces, 1 piece of ginger cut into small pieces. This is brindleberry, or in Malabar tamarind, or in Malayalam it is known as kudambuli. And I have taken here 4 or 5 green chilli cut into a straight cut. I have taken some curry leaves here, and 1 cup of coconut milk powder. You can use fresh coconut also for this one, and less than half teaspoon of Fenugrek. Then I will be using a pinch of Asafetida, 3 teaspoon of red chilli powder, around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I will be using coconut oil for this one. Okay, around 3 to 4 teaspoon of coconut oil for this purpose. Okay, these are the main ingredients for this. And I will be using water. Let us start. On the fire, you can see a different pot. This is mud pot. This will give more taste to the dish. That is important. This is because it's made by mud. Okay, I am going to use coconut oil for this one. Let us see. All is hot now. I am going to put the Fenugrek onto this. That is splattered. So it's ready now. I'm going to add the cabbage off here. I'm going to add a pinch of Asafetida here. That's it. I will add a bit salt over here so it will cook fast. Okay, after this one. Okay, balance I will add later. Here I am going to add the ginger into small pieces, and the green chilli also I will add here. Okay, I'll reduce the fire a bit, medium flame. Here I'm going to add a bit of curry leaves over here. It's nice smell is coming. Here I'm going to add a little more coconut oil, and now I think this is ready. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it well. The raw smell should go. Here I think the raw smell has gone. So I'm going to add some butter here. You can add more if you want. Here I have added sufficient water here. I'm going to add the tamarind, Malabar tamarind, or brindleberry over here. Okay. Now this one, if you think after the curry is ready, if you think the tamarind is enough, you can remove that piece and throw it away, no problem. Okay. Now this is let it boil. After boil only, we will add the paneer, in which I am going to add the salt over here. You see, salt will be around say 1 teaspoon, sada anusar, or as per taste you can add. Okay, let it boil now. Okay, it's boiling now. Let it boil. I'm going to add the paneer cottage cheese over here. Okay. Let it boil. Then the water will reduce. It's thickened now. I'm going to put out the fire now, and I will add the coconut milk powder, which I somewhat liquid base. Okay, that's it. Yes, that's it. A special dish is ready now. What I'm going to make the final things on this one. Okay, let it be on the pot only. I'm going to fry some cabbage and I'll add some curry leaves to it. I'll add some coconut oil over here to fry the cabbage. I'm going to add the cabbage over here. Okay. Going to add a pinch of Asafetida on this one. Ready now. I'm going to add the curry leaves over here. That's it. Okay. Curry leaves give a special aroma to the curry. Yes. It's almost ready now. Okay. Another 1 minute to be ready. Okay. Try now. I'm going to add this to the curry. Yes. That's it. Yes, thickness is enough, everything is okay now. Yeah, now our special curry is ready. I'm going to keep it in this pot only because this pot it will give very nice taste and it will get more thickened also. Okay, so I'm not going to change it to a serving dish. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back. Here's my little princess ready. Princess is ready to taste.
Yes, and I have a horse with me.
Yeah. So taste the dish.
Okay.
I'm sure you will.
I am going to taste it, and this curry is my favorite, and this is very nice. Yummy! It is so yummy.
Yeah. So.
I will also eat more.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, take this.
It is going like a fish inside.
Okay. Yes. How is it, darling?
It is very nice. I have tasted it before, and this is the best. And this, I love it.
Is it?
This one
Yes.
is nice and you can eat it for dinner and with rice. It is very good. Like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.
Yeah, so this is a easy dish. Okay, you make it at home, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.